How to make people respect you. Being a leader. Standing up for yourself. Respecting others. Excel at communication. Speak warmly and engage those whom you are speaking to. Be able to speak comfortably about a wide range of topics. Avoid vulgar and poor language, as well as using words like or like to punctuate your sentences. Keep your emotions in check. Remain calm in tense situations and speak in a calm, relaxed voice. Strive to act, rather than react emotionally. Diffuse bad situations whenever possible, and take a moment to think before instantly reacting. Control your body language. Stand up straight, look people directly in the eye, and speak in a steady, composed voice when in conversation. These things exude confidence, which people very much respect. Say no more often. People often believe that taking on more projects and responsibilities will make others respect them, but that's not the case. You can't agree to every opportunity or request presented to you. Have an opinion. Whether it's an idea, a thought, or a protest, avoid remaining passive if you have something to say. Don't be afraid of voicing your opinions and bringing ideas to the table, even if it makes you a little nervous. Stop being too nice. You can be kind to others without constantly having to do things for them. No one respects a pushover. Keep your word. When you commit to something and then don't follow through, people see you as unreliable. Keep your promises to others and get out of the habit of making promises that you can't keep. Be on time. When you are late, whether that is to an appointment, a meeting, a deadline, or responding to an email, you lose the respect of others because they feel that you don't value their time. Strive to always be punctual. Avoid gossiping. Frequently engaging in gossip, especially negative gossip that puts other people down, will do nothing good for you. In fact, it usually results in people thinking less of you and gossiping about you when you aren't in the room.